Hello students, you are watching Sure Success classes. In this session, we are going to learn highest common factor, that is HCF. The term HCF is related to factorization or factors. Factorization. We have learned the factorization in previous session. Here, common factor. This we will first see this concept. Common factors means factor those are shared by two or more whole numbers are called common factors. Let's see this through the example. If we find out the common factors of two numbers, those numbers are 16 and 24. The first we will write factors of 16. Those are 1, 2, then 4, 8 and number itself 16. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 12 and then number itself, that is 24. In these tables we will get 24. So these are the factors of 24 and these are the factors of 16. In both the numbers, some numbers are common. These numbers are common. So these are the common factor. Common factors are 1, 2, then 4 and 8. And to find out highest common factor, this word highest denotes that it must be greater. From this, the number 8 is greater one. So the HCF of 16 and 24 is the number 8. So we can write it as HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. To find out HCF of given numbers, there are two methods. First method is prime factorization method. In this method, we have to find out prime factors of given numbers. There are 3 steps in this method. First step is first. In first step, we have to find out the prime factors of given number. Prime factors. And in second step, we have to find out the common factors between them. Common factors. And in third step, we have to find out the product of common factor. Product. If we go in this way, we can easily find out highest common factor. Let's see through the example. If we find out the HCF of 24 and 36, in first step, we will first find out the prime factors of both the numbers. Prime factors of 24 are 12 2s are 24, 2 into 6 2s are 12, 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In index notation, we will write it in this way, 2 to the power 3 into 3. Then we will find out the factors of prime factors of 36. Again 12 3s are 36, 3 into 6 into 2, 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. We will write it in this way, 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Here we have got prime factors. Then we will move to next step. These are the prime factorization of these numbers. Here in next step we will find out the common factors. To find out common factors, we will see the power of both the prime factors, and from that we will pick out the smallest power of each common prime factor. Here the smallest for 2, the smallest power of common prime factor 2 is 2 to the power 2. We will easily see here 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2 means 2 is multiplied 2 times and here 2 is multiplied 3 times. So 2 to the power 2 is smaller than 2 to the power 3. So we will take here the smallest power of this prime factor. Then for prime factor 3, here we can clearly see that 3 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 2. This power means 3 to the power 1 is smaller than 3 to the power 2. So here we will take 3 to the power 1 means 3. So common factors are 2 to the power 2 into 3. 2 to the power 2 means it is 4 into 3. I will write it here. 4 into 3, it is equal to 12. Means here we have got product of these common prime factors. So this is our H.C.F. that is 12. Students, to find out the product of prime factors is the last step of this method. Students, we have learned the first method and now we are going to learn second method, that is continuous division method. In this method we will continuously divide given numbers until the numbers have no common factor, and in last step we will find out the product of common factor. So let's see this through the example. Here we have to find out the H.C.F. of 36 and 24. We will write them in this way. Draw vertical line and horizontal line. We will put given numbers at this place and by using divisibility rules we will divide these numbers. Here both the numbers are even numbers, so here we will use the divisibility rule about number 2. 2 is divisor and these numbers are dividend. So let's start to divide them. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again both the numbers are even numbers, so we will use 2 as a prime number to divide them. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. In the table 3 we will get both the numbers. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then we will stop here because these are prime numbers and we have got these common factors. So common factors are 2, 2 and 3. We will write them into multiplication form, and when we find out the product of these numbers then we will get H.C.F. of both the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So by using this method we can easily find out the H.C.F. of given number. See another example of this method. If we want to find out the H.C.F. of bigger numbers, if those are 30, 105, then 165. By using divisibility rules, here we will find out the prime factors of these numbers. Students, observe these numbers carefully. At one's place there is 0 and 5, so it will be divisible by number 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Then By using divisibility rules, these numbers are divisible by number 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Here we have got prime numbers. So here we will stop, and common factors of these numbers are 5 and 3. So 5 and 3, and HCF of these numbers will be 5 3s are 15. This is the highest common factor among these numbers. Students, in this session we have learned two important methods to find out HCF. First method is prime factorization method and second method is continuous division method. And these two methods are very important to find out HCF. I hope you might have understood these methods, and in next session I am going to explain the most important method to find out HCF. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.